Every day, we try to find out solutions to our problems like skin, hair, and stretch marks. But we end up spending on costly cosmetic products that are nothing but a combination of harmful chemicals. So, we need to resort to our ancient techniques and methods that are inexpensive and effective. Today, we will talk about benefits of castor oil that I have experienced personally. In the end, we will learn how to use it on the affected areas. Welcome to Ignited Beast. I am Mukul. Let us start. Whenever we lose some decent amount of weight, we tend to have stretch marks that looks very ugly. To solve this problem, I used some common medications and commonly available bio oil that I was not able to use consistently due to its high price. Then I used castor oil on the affected areas, that is my love handles and my lower abs area. Not only it reduces the stretch marks, but it even tightens the skin and helps us improve the appearance. So if you face any problems of stretch marks, I would really recommend you to try it for once. Earlier my hair lacked the density and it looked really bad when the scalp is easily visible inside the hair. Then I started using castor oil twice or thrice per week and it really worked for me. Not only it has increased the density, but also it has came over the problems like dandruff. Even if you don't have any hair problems, I would recommend you to use it once per week before a shampoo hair wash. With the trend of beard coming in, many companies came into market to sell beard related products to improve the patchy beard and make it look more attractive. But rather than spending on those costly products, you can easily use castor oil to massage your beard after a warm wash of your beard. That would help you increase the blood circulation and thereby stimulate the hair growth. Now to use it, you have to just gently massage over the affected areas in the circular motion so that oil is totally submerged inside that area. You can use it twice or thrice per week for the effective results. Other than the uses that I have mentioned, it can be used for various uses like acne, blemishes, eyebrows, and even as a weight loss drink taken in the morning in warm water. As we have seen, this inexpensive product can serve you for your many problems and it is really easily available at your nearby store or from an online market. If you like this video, you can give me a thumbs up and make sure you hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.